While the world continues to pursue traditional military strategies, China has entered a technological revolution where artificial intelligence and robotics have become the decisive factors. These advancements are not only changing the way wars are fought, but are also reshaping the entire landscape of modern warfare. China is developing cutting-edge military technologies, surpassing all limits, and ready to challenge powers like the United States. Are we witnessing the emergence of an entirely new generation of military equipment? Join Top 10 Discoveries Official as we explore the latest breakthroughs in China's military technology, the devices that are transforming the global military future. Since the early 2000s, China has focused on making substantial investments in military technology, marking a pivotal moment in its defense strategy. Initially, the country concentrated on modernizing its armed forces through automated weapon systems and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, providing a significant advantage in surveillance and long-range attacks. These UAVs not only assist in intelligence gathering, but also change the way battles are fought remotely, accurately, and efficiently. However, China doesn't want to rely solely on imported technology. The country is determined to develop its own military solutions, aiming to minimize dependence on external sources. Over the past 2 decades, China has heavily invested in domestic military technology research and development, building a powerful technological ecosystem. Modern research centers, automated manufacturing facilities, and government-supported innovation policies have brought China closer to becoming a technological powerhouse in the military field. The most remarkable aspect of this process is the development of combat robots and military AI systems. China is not only developing robots for reconnaissance missions, but also integrating them into combat strategies, allowing military forces to operate more efficiently without direct human intervention. These machines are not only flexible and accurate, but also capable of performing tasks that humans would find difficult or dangerous in hazardous situations. With a long-term vision, China is not only striving to become the world's leading military power, but also aims to completely revolutionize the future of warfare. AI and robots will no longer be mere supporting tools, but will become indispensable components of every military strategy. These advancements are not only enhancing China's defense capabilities, but also creating significant strategic opportunities, as warfare now extends beyond the battlefield to cyberspace and virtual environments. With groundbreaking advancements in technology, China is gradually becoming a formidable contender in the global military race. One of the key factors enabling China's rise is its ability to integrate AI and robotics into its military strategies, fundamentally changing the way warfare is conducted. Rather than relying solely on human forces, China is building an automated army where robots and AI systems play pivotal roles in crucial missions. A prime example is the Unitree Go2 Pro, a combat robot dog developed by Unitree Robotics and introduced at the China International Technology Exhibition in 2023. Designed specifically for missions in complex environments, the Unitree Go2 Pro can move swiftly with a top speed of 5 meters per second, approximately 6 kilometers per hour, allowing it to easily navigate challenging terrains like stairs, elevated bridges, and uneven ground critical for military operations in urban warfare or rugged areas. One of the standout features of the Unitree Go2 Pro is its 4D LiDAR sensor system, which enables the robot to detect its surroundings in a 360-degree range. These sensors allow the robot to adjust its path, detect objects, and ensure safe movement through hazardous areas. The Unitree Go2 Pro can also carry a payload of up to 4 kilograms, including weapons, support equipment, or supplies, assisting the military in tasks such as inspecting dangerous areas, transporting materials, or providing fire support. This robot dog can be remotely controlled via a mobile app or Wi-Fi connection, making it easy for soldiers to monitor and issue commands during combat situations. During military drills, the Unitree Go2 Pro has performed reconnaissance, examined hazardous zones, and even participated in logistical support activities. Thanks to its automation and ability to replace humans in high-risk tasks, the Unitree Go2 Pro not only minimizes risks for soldiers, but also enhances efficiency in military operations. With its advanced capabilities, the Unitree Go2 Pro represents a significant step forward in China's military strategy. boosting its automated combat capabilities and providing greater flexibility in complex missions. QUGV Wolf is a heavy-duty military wolf robot developed by China and launched at the China International Aerospace Exhibition in 2024. This is one of the most advanced military robot products, capable of maneuvering and operating in complex terrain, expanding its application in urban warfare in areas with difficult terrain, where traditional military vehicles cannot access, weighing up to 70 kilograms. The QUGV Wolf is equipped with a special mobility system, enabling it to move through obstacles like stairs, hills, and muddy areas without difficulty. This robot is designed to operate in complex situations, such as urban warfare, where space is limited and terrain is uneven. This capability makes the QUGV Wolf a vital strategic tool, particularly in situations where fast and accurate access to combat zones is required. The standout feature of the QUGV Wolf is its ability to coordinate with other robots, forming an autonomous combat network. These Wolf robots can share tactical information in real time and make strategic decisions without human intervention. Providing flexibility and efficiency in military campaigns, they can perform tasks such as reconnaissance, transporting supplies, and even participating in attacks or providing fire support, reducing risk for soldiers and enhancing combat effectiveness. The QUGV Wolf is also equipped with advanced situational recognition and analysis technologies, and it can be controlled by soldiers via voice commands, allowing it to carry out complex missions like targeting or moving to strategic positions. This is a significant leap in the application of AI to the military, as the robot can automate combat activities without direct human supervision, creating a fully automated fighting force that reduces casualties and increases combat efficiency, as seen with the Unitree Go2 Pro. The use of robots in the military is helping China strengthen its strategic power and expand its combat capabilities. While the Unitree Go2 Pro plays a crucial role in reconnaissance and fire support, the QUGV Wolf combines strength with coordination, offering more flexible and accurate combat capabilities in complex conditions. Both of these robots not only enhance China's combat capabilities, but also demonstrate the remarkable development of the country's military technology, integrating AI, robotics, and modern military strategies. China is actively integrating artificial intelligence AI into its military strategies to enhance combat capabilities and provide quick responses in modern warfare environments. The application of AI goes beyond the development of combat robots like the Unitree Go2 Pro or QUGV Wolf and extends to many other critical areas within the military. Automating the battlefield is one of the most notable applications of AI in China's military. AI systems are deployed to automate tasks such as reconnaissance, attacks, and logistical support, minimizing human intervention and improving combat efficiency. For example, AI can control unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs to carry out reconnaissance or strike missions without direct human involvement. Big data analytics is another crucial aspect of AI application. AI systems are capable of processing and analyzing large volumes of data collected from sensors, UAVs, and other sources, aiding in the delivery of precise and timely strategic decisions. This is particularly important in modern warfare situations, where information and timing are decisive factors. Flexible tactics are also enhanced through AI. AI systems can analyze the battlefield situation and propose adaptable strategies, enabling the military to respond quickly to unexpected circumstances. The integration of AI into command and control systems improves decision-making and coordination in complex warfare environments. The use of AI in the military not only boosts China's combat capabilities, but also reflects a shift in military strategy from relying on traditional military power to leveraging technological strength for strategic advantage. In a world full of changes and challenges, building a strong military foundation through investment strategies in technology and infrastructure has become China's top priority. The country is not only investing in modernizing its military, but also focusing on creating long-term strategic advantages. Hundreds of billions of United States dollars have been allocated to key technology sectors such as artificial intelligence AI, quantum computing, biotechnology, and semiconductor industries, with the goal of achieving technological self-reliance and reducing dependency on Western countries. research and development R&D spending surpassed $500 billion in 2024, opening opportunities for the development of advanced military technologies such as hypersonic weapons, combat robots, and AI-powered combat systems. A part of this long-term strategy is the Made in China 2025 initiative, which aims not only to create strong domestic industries, but also to position China as a global leader in technological fields, particularly in robotics, AI, and hypersonic weapons. Despite opposition from Western countries, this strategy continues to be aggressively pursued, asserting China's technological independence and competitive edge in strategic industries. In addition to investing in technology, China's military infrastructure has been solidly built. As of 2024, more than 250 AI data centers have been deployed, playing a crucial role in processing big data, enabling the military to make precise and timely strategic decisions. These infrastructures not only enhance combat capabilities, but also help the military maintain operational control in complex campaigns, especially in modern warfare environments. The military-civil fusion policy is key in connecting civilian companies with the military to create advanced technologies for defense purposes. Major technology companies, such as Huawei and ZTE, primarily operating in the civilian sector, have contributed significantly to the development of 5G networks and surveillance equipment, improving the military's combat readiness and cybersecurity. Furthermore, the country also focuses on self-sufficiency in critical technologies within the semiconductor industry, reducing reliance on Western suppliers. The National Semiconductor Industry Investment Fund, with a capital of $47.5 billion as of May 2024, is one of the key steps in this strategy. All these strategies aim not only to build a powerful military force, but also to secure China's position on the global stage. By combining modern technology, robust military infrastructure, and sustainable development policies, China is preparing for a strong future, not only in defense, but also on the international front. China's vision for its military future is being shaped by substantial investments in technology, particularly in artificial intelligence, AI, and automated warfare systems. In the coming years, the country's goal is not only to develop a modern military, but also to build a force that primarily operates based on technology, with automated systems replacing humans in many combat missions. This vision is accompanied by the prospect of fully automating the battlefield. China is getting closer to creating a fully automated military, where robots and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) can perform tasks such as reconnaissance, attacks, and rescue operations without human intervention. AI systems will be capable of analyzing data collected from thousands of sensors and making real-time decisions, enabling China's military forces to become more agile and precise in combat. This provides a distinct advantage in terms of speed and efficiency, as machines can act faster and more accurately than humans in high-stress situations. In addition to changing the way battles are fought, AI in China's military is also creating new possibilities for unmanned warfare. Combat robots and UAVs will not only help reduce human casualties, but will also open up the potential to conduct military operations with less risk. However, in the long run, the use of AI will not just stop at replacing humans in combat missions, but will lead to a fundamental shift in the way nations engage in global conflicts. China believes that technology will not only change the way wars are fought, but could also reshape the global landscape. AI will not only help China surpass its competitors, but also enable the country to lead in the high-tech military race, where wars will increasingly involve fewer humans and be dominated by automated systems and robots. Another prospect is the development of AI systems that are capable of self-learning and optimizing strategies over time. These systems will not only work based on pre-programmed parameters, but will also have the ability to improve after each battle, learning from real-world situations and making more effective decisions. China is heavily investing in research for these AI systems to enhance its ability to respond quickly and accurately in emergencies. These advancements will change the scale and nature of future warfare, where human involvement will decrease, giving way to automated systems capable of fighting effectively and flexibly. The use of AI in the military will not only provide a military advantage, but will also help China strengthen and expand its influence in a world where technology and automation are key factors in determining success in international conflicts. The future of China's military lies not only in the development of advanced weapons, but also in the ability to deploy automation technology and AI in warfare. Technology not only helps optimize strategies, but also transforms the way wars will be fought. In a world where speed and accuracy are decisive factors, China is leading the way in building an automated military force where AI systems can self-learn, improve, and make strategic decisions on their own. This vision not only enhances China's military power, but also opens the door to a revolution in warfare, where unmanned systems and AI will play the leading role. In the future, nations will not only fight with their armies, but also with technology. And the nation that masters the most advanced technology will have the decisive advantage. However, this military future also presents a series of challenges in technology management. The ethics of warfare and cybersecurity. As technology becomes more powerful, the ability to control and secure it becomes an increasingly critical factor. China is building the foundation not only to win in military confrontations, but also in the global technology race, where the combination of AI, robots, and hypersonic weapons will determine the outcome of 21st century warfare. What are your thoughts? How do you think China's advancements will shape the future of military strategy? Should we be concerned about the rapid advancements in autonomous military technology? Or is it a necessary step for global progress? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the latest insights on technology, national strategies, and innovations shaping the future. Top 10 Discoveries Official will be back with untold stories, groundbreaking projects, and quiet revolutions that are making a global impact. See you in the next video.